Hi guys, I'm putting the 1098 and the 1275 back together again, and I thought some of you might not have seen this before, but lapping in valves, I've done the first 6 of them, but 7 actually. The whole point is to get a nice clean grey colour on the valve seat and a nice clean grey colour all the way around the valve. That means that it's seating fully on the seat and it's nice and clean. To get it, you use valve grinding paste. I'm using a fine 280 grit paste. It is literally paste, it's grit in grease. And you put it on the valve. Willie, shut up! And then you put the valve in the seat. Lots of people put a spring under them so that you push them up and down. Some people use a drill on them. I actually have an old Zim valve grinding tool. It has a new rubber sucker on the bottom, but when you turn the handle it doesn't go round and round, it goes backwards and forwards. There's an obcentric crank inside it. Anyway, I will set it up and show you how I do it with the last one. Okay, so what you do is you take the valve. Everything's nice and clean in there. You can see it hasn't been ground yet. It's a sort of a silvery colour with pitting in it. Take a little bit of the grinding paste, put it around the edge of the valve. You don't need a huge amount, just a little bit will do it. Drop it into the hole. Then I put my trusty tool on it, and as you can see now it winds backwards and forwards. And given enough time, takes 3 or 4 minutes for each valve, it will indeed shine up that seat and get them both fitting exactly. I lift it every now and again just to redistribute the grease and the grit. Okay, you get the ideas, guys. And then once you're done, the valve should have a nice even grey coloration on the seat, and the seat itself shouldn't be shiny and steel looking. It should be a nice grey colour, and it should be consistent all the way around the seat. Once it's all done, I clean the head off with diesel and gasoline, and you have to make sure that you keep the valves in the right order now so they go back into the same hole that they've been lapped for. And I'm now going to just rinse it off actually with some lacquer thinners and paint it, and then it's ready to be reassembled.